Here they go. Oh, like that. Period. Already kind of filed them last night, so I'm just gonna buff them. I apply it to the nail and to the fake nail. They say hold it down for like 15 seconds. You can get with this, or you can get with that. You can get with this, or you can get with that. You can get with this, or you can get with that. But if you get with this, this is where it's at. Look how long that is. I don't even need this. Why am I whispering? You can talk. Fuck. Serious. You hear me? Me and you. It's funny because I'm not left-handed. Just painting. Up on here. You ain't gotta put that much on this. Just a little bit at the base. Y'all know how to put some damn nails on. Showing y'all. Hold it down. Hold me down so I can bless you. I'm coming for the rescue. Cause I'll be here to save your day. Blend all that extra stuff that pop out at the bottom. Blend it in there. It's gonna make it hold at the base a little longer too. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna have to file. And this is how this hand is looking. I'm gonna have to file. Oh, that's not the side. It'd be like the little tick thing in the top. You just wanna even that out. My nails right here. I know. That's how this look. Period. This is the nails.